Short sentences for kids. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. You are welcome. What is your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. See you later. Good night. I love you. Please help me. I am sorry. Don't cry. Be happy. Let's play. Come here. Go there. Sit down. Stand up. Open the door. Close the door. Wash your hands. Brush your teeth. Comb your hair. I can run. I can jump. I can dance. I can sing. I am happy. I am sad. What is this? This is my bag. I like my teacher. I love my school. Write with a pencil. I read books. I sit on the bench. The bell is ringing. I love my mom. I love my dad. This is my sister. This is my brother. We are a family. My grandma is kind. My grandpa is strong. The sun is hot. The moon is bright. It is raining. I like butterflies. The grass is green. Thanks for the watching. Don't forget to watch our next fun learning video.